Hi everybody, welcome to YS Kong Driving, and today we have our special guest, Mr. Zachary Ho.
Hello.
And what are we doing today? We are in a very fresh from the oven car. This is the all-new Toyota Corolla Altis.
The 2019 one.
Yeah, 2019, slotted for 2020. Yeah,
Oh, yes.
and we have managed to get this car.
We stole this off the stockyard, yeah?
No, we borrowed it.
Sorry, I meant borrow.
You don't steal cars, you just borrow.
Yes.
Okay, so we are in the brand new Corolla Altis, and this is built on the TNGA, which is the Toyota New Global Architecture Platform.
Yep.
So
Which is also found in the...
it's in the Camry and it's in the CHR. So this is probably the third car in the lineup for Toyota that is running this TNGA platform.
Over here, yes.
Over here.
I believe it is also in the new Prius, which...
Hasn't come here yet.
Yeah, we're not getting yet.
So what's so great about this TNGA, man? So what?
So what? Well, there's a new acronym to learn.
Okay, other than that.
Yeah. It feels... The ride feels more stable, yeah. Why is that, yeah?
Okay, the TNGA platform has got one feature that's very good, and historically, the way I interpret it, when they built remember the Toyota 86, that very nice sports car, they adopted the rear double wishbone setup with the front McPherson strut. And I think they said, wow, this car handles so well, man. And when they developed the TNGA platform, they decided to put this same type of arrangement. That means the rear double wishbone and the McPherson strut in front. And as a result, okay, the first car that I actually tested on that platform was the CHR. And I think everybody who has driven the CHR has talked so much about the handling, right? And then the next car that I drove was the Camry. And I mean, the Camry is a front-wheel drive car. I didn't expect it to handle so well, you know. And the car that I drove before the Camry, going up the Genting, yeah, was actually the BMW new 3 Series. And when I drove the Camry, it was like almost back to back. I was amazed. So it all boils down to this TNGA platform, and now it's available in the Altis. So guys, we're not going to test drive to Genting today because this is like a first drive kind of thing. And this is a borrowed car, stolen car.
Borrowed.
Okay, it's a borrowed car.
Yep.
So therefore we won't be going very fast, but this TNGA is actually a promise of good handling.
Yes.
Okay, so back to the more mundane stuff. Zach is the numbers man. So this is a 1.8 liter, right?
Yes, it is.
Double overhead cam.
Let me just read off the specs. Let me take my reading glasses off to read. 1.8 liter engine,
Yes.
139 PS.
Yes.
172 Newton meters of torque.
Yes.
It's a 7 ratio CVT.
Yes.
But it's got a sport mode.
Yep. The sport
Where's
mode
the
here.
button? Oh, there's a button right there.
Yeah, and the meter turns red.
Oh dear.
Hey, no, not yet. Okay.
I was gonna go. Oh my god.
The grab handle.
Yeah.
So it's front wheel drive, of course, and so actually this engine and transmission is a carry forward from the previous model, but you notice there is a small difference in the PS, right? The previous one,
The
Newton meters,
torque, actually.
yeah.
Yeah. This new the engine in this new Corolla Altis is 1 Newton meter less. Well, I don't think you're gonna feel it.
But I wonder why.
Yeah.
Must be the way they build the car.
Yeah. It could be the.
Okay, I'm going to cross over to this side.
Sure. Yeah. You have the wheel.
Okay, so the way I see it, the car visually looks very much like the old Altis, but it is a totally new body, yeah.
Yeah.
And I think they retain the shape so that it looks like
It's
an Altis.
familiar.
Yeah, it's familiar. Yeah.
Some people
Hey,
will
what's
say,
the wheelbase? 2.7.
oh, it's more than 0. No, I'm sorry, I don't have it here.
Okay, we don't have the wheelbase
my
here.
book isn't complete.
But I would suspect it's either the same or slightly longer. You know how they like to stretch things a little bit.
Yeah.
But anyway, we'll confirm that much later. That's not so important. Well, it's still a C segment sedan, and it's about the same size as the old Corolla. Yeah. Okay, so there are some features here in the G variant that make it very. Okay, that's
Did you
already
hear
the
that?
first
Did you
warning.
hear
Yeah.
that? Yeah.
I didn't signal and I sort of went near the line. Yeah, sort of like a lane departure alert, telling you, hey, yeah, okay, now this one makes you really obedient driver.
Yes.
You know, follow all the rules.
It's like
Because-
having your mother in the car.
yeah, if you if you signal, then it doesn't make noise. Okay, so we got a lot of policemen who are watching the way we drive.
Yeah.
So that's the lane departure alert, and then it also has something else. I don't know if the lines here are good enough. You better signal, otherwise kena scolding again. And it has this thing called lane tracing. Okay.
Assist, yes.
Yeah,
LTA.
LTA. And what happens is you have to hold the steering, you know. If you don't hold the steering, it will stop working.
Yeah, it needs to feel the pressure.
Yeah. So, okay.
It is part of the.
As I say, it's turning. It sounds a warning that it turns. And the difference between this one and the normal, what do you call?
departure warning.
Lane departure warning and the
Lane keep.
It keeps your car in the center of the lane.
Yes. But
And-
it has to be able to read the lines.
Yeah, it has, if the lines are not clear, then it doesn't work lah. And of course, I can't lift my hands off the steering to show you, because if I do, then it just goes off and says, "Hey, you're not paying attention."
How many seconds can you lift off your hands?
I have no idea. And then they have this thing called. I'm going to try this. Look at the car in front. Look at the car in front. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Don't do anything.
Oh my god! That's a Corolla too, by the way.
Yeah. So that is called the autonomous braking, yeah?
It's the pre-collision system.
Sorry, my mistake. Yeah, I call it AEB lah.
Yeah.
So
it's basically the same thing.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. It had a warning and it's supposed to brake, but can I just confess? I stepped on the brake.
You did?
Yes, I did. I'm sorry.
Oh my god!
Well,
I mean, when we are aware of these things, especially when you know that the object in front or vehicle in front is fast approaching you will react.
this
right?
is a collision mitigation system.
Yeah.
So maybe I was going too fast. So maybe it would have mitigated the collision by minimizing the damage, but then I would still get a dent in the car.
Yes, depending on your speed.
Yes,
right?
so I was going at about 40, so maybe that was too fast.
Well,
So
you
maybe
think
we
it
should
was a
test
bit
it at
too fast.
25.
Yeah,
Maybe I
yeah,
should test
I
at
think.
25 lah.
Okay.
So these systems are quite similar all over, yeah?
Yeah.
So they buy maybe the software from the same people, but this car has got it. And okay, so maybe my reaction is too fast, you know, for a 68-year-old. And well, I just it was instinctive lah. I brake. I'm sorry, but
forgive you.
it's there, and I'm sure it works. But I wasn't going to do the
Try your luck.
Yeah,
I don't want to test the airbag.
yeah. So anyway, I did brake. That's the honest truth.
Yeah.
But you heard the TTT and all that, right? At least we know that that part works.
Yes.
I suppose we'll have to wait for an official test, you know, where they use a dummy car, you whack the car, it's okay lah. Anyway, guys, this pre-collision system,
Yep.
it is actually meant to mitigate, and all these people who make all these safety systems, they also try to keep themselves safe. They say, okay, it's not guaranteed that you will prevent a collision, but
Yes.
it is there to mitigate, and they always pre-qualify it. Yeah.
Well, it also depends on how fast you're approaching that stationary vehicle, right?
Yeah,
If
yeah.
it's a low speed,
Yeah, you can probably stop in
it
time.
will stop you in time. But if you're a little bit faster, I mean, the laws of physics still apply.
Yeah, if there's sand on the road, things
Yeah.
like that lah.
You know, so what it does is it will just lessen the impact.
Yes.
It doesn't mean that you will not hit the car.
The word is mitigate.
Mitigate, yes.
Mitigate. Okay,
Yes.
Watergate, mitigate. Anyway,
Surrogate.
so you forgive me for stepping on the brake, right?
I do. It woke me up.
Thanks,
Woke me up.
thanks, Zachary. So anyway, there's another one where you do have what do you call? Okay, let's go and see this. The other one is radar control. What?
Okay.
What do you call
Let me
it?
read off this. It's part of the Toyota Safety Sense.
Yes.
Dynamic radar cruise control
Dynamic radar cruise control.
for all speeds. Asterisks.
Okay, at all speeds. So how do we set?
Mommy's here again.
Okay, sorry.
You have to set your cruise control.
Okay, hold on.
Right.
Signal. After kena scolding again. So I have to go cruise control. It is the set. Then
Then I believe you move. Well, not yet because we're stationary.
set. We have to move first, right?
You have to move first.
Then set, and then yeah. So we're at the traffic light now. So basically, guys, what this does is that it allows you to follow a car, and then and when it comes to a stop, you will stop with it. Anyway, from the brochure, what I've been told, if in a traffic jam, the car in front of you, and you have your DRCC on, the car in front of you stops for less than 3 seconds, and he resumes, then your car will resume because your car will stop. And then if it's more than 3 seconds, you got to press the resume. So here is the.
Shall we try it first?
Yeah, I'm going to turn the cruise control on. Is that right?
This one.
Okay.
Okay.
Cruise control is on. How
So radar cruise is active. So you increase.
do you get the speed?
Yeah, plus.
I'm plussing.
Do your math. Yeah. Okay.
I heard that if you set your speed higher than the car in front, you can actually come out and overtake. But it's not moving up. How is it moving? How do I?
Yeah, it's slowly moving up.
Very slow. Where is the indicator? The white one.
Yes.
The white one. No.
No, that's your throttle.
Where is my speed indicator on my?
Right here.
Oh, that's my speedometer.
Yeah.
How do I put up the seat? Put up. Is it on? Cruise control? Yes.
Yes, it's on.
Radar ready. Off. On. Okay. Cruise control is on.
Yeah. We didn't
Practice.
RTFM. We didn't read the manual. Yeah, we just borrowed the car straight out, and we got in.
It's not increasing speedway. How? Set. Okay. Oh, you must set first. Then you increase speed.
Okay.
And it's now set at 61, 62,
Yeah.
64, 65.
So I don't know if this camera can see this.
Yeah, there's
But there's a distance, an option for.
Okay, sorry guys, I'm not a very what you call electronic fighter person.
He's old.
Okay. Hey,
Yeah. What?
it's just a number. Okay, see, I'm not doing anything. You must hold the steering, and it's slowing down. Yeah. Okay, and the toot that says it's out of range,
Departure.
and
So
it should speed up, right? Yeah, it's speeding up now.
Yes.
Okay, because I set it at
So
65.
his feet are not on the pedals.
No, I'm not.
I can see his feet are not on the pedals.
Where are my feet?
Attached to your ankles. Okay.
Hey, what's happening? Oh, okay, it's braking. Wow, so glad it works.
Okay.
It's working. It's working. Okay,
works.
and then it's edging up. It's
Yeah.
edging up. It's edging up. And the guy stopped for less than 3 seconds. It's starting again.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Okay, so it's quite confidence inspiring. It doesn't go to the last minute. Right?
Yeah.
It sort of slows down.
Yeah, we finally got something to work for us. But yeah, it works. It works.
Hey, don't
for
blame
sure.
the technology. Blame
Don't.
us because we
You-
don't know how to do.
User problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First world problem, third world. First world technology, third world user.
Yes.
Something like that. Okay, so this is the DRCC, yeah?
Mm.
Well done, man. So
Yeah.
now traveling around in traffic jam is a cinch with the new Altis.
Yeah. I mean, outstation drives would be so much.
And then I heard
more
if you
relaxing.
are setting a speed that's higher, it will overtake. Of course, it doesn't brake for corner, yeah.
Yeah, and
So-
and you will also have to change lanes to yourself to overtake.
Yeah.
All these systems are just assistance. Yeah,
Yep.
it's not going to drive the car for you.
Yep.
You are still responsible. For
Actually, I'm
how
sure
you
they
drive.
have a system that's already autonomous and is probably under testing, but
Probably.
they're not selling it as autonomous driving yet.
Yeah, because
Uh,
humans are not safe enough yet. Right?
So maybe one day, not so long in the future, we will see a totally autonomous driving car. Yeah, then you can play with your things while going to work.
things. Yeah. Yep. Play with my things.
Okay, so guys, this is it. I think we have done a little bit of stolen ride on this car, and it's enough for today.
Borrowed. Yep.
Borrowed. Okay, so we should be getting a test drive pretty soon, but in the meantime, enjoy yourself watching this video, and of course, if you like it, please do subscribe to YS Kong Driving Channel. And Zachary
Zachary Ho sitting
and driving. No,
and driving. Just one more thing.
yeah, what?
There's a Qi wireless charger here.
Oh yeah. In my walk around, I couldn't see this because it's so dark. Thanks, Zachary. So guys, you can just put your handphone here and it will charge, provided your handphone has the wireless charger.
Yes.
Okay.
So buy one.
Yeah. So anyway, so this is it. Thanks very much for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe. And till we meet again, bye bye from YS and
Zachary.
okay. Done.